5 essential skills you should develop as an internet marketer. A lot of your success as an internet marketer will come down to your own specific skill set. Do you have the necessary know-how and skills to stand out from the crowd and to take your business to the next level? The problem is that a lot of internet marketers are happy to rest on their laurels. They know how to write blog posts and they can use social media. That's enough, right? Wrong. If you want a competitive edge, then the more skills you learn, the more successful you will be. In this presentation, we'll be going over some extremely effective skills that will help you progress. Copywriting. Writing is one thing. Knowing how to write correctly is another. You should know how to follow AP guidelines for your articles and posts, and you should understand how to write persuasive sales copy for those sales pages. Vector art. This is an example of a skill that can help you get ahead of the pack. Vector art allows you to create logos, icons, and other images that can be scaled to any size with no loss of quality or resolution. This is crucial, as it is what is used as the industry standard. If you want to design your own elements and you want them to look professional, you need to learn tools like Adobe Illustrator. While you're at it, you can also gain a lot from learning to create 3D models in a piece of software such as Blender. And you can gain more again from using something like Photoshop. This way, you can create amazing images to go with your posts and to adorn your site. Videography, video editing. Adding a video marketing component to your business will help you progress incredibly quickly and incredibly well. Videography and video editing will allow you to create high-quality videos so that you can vlog on YouTube, or so that you can create videos that will help you to market your products. Development. Becoming a developer is another extremely worthwhile endeavor. As a developer, you will have the necessary skills to be able to create your own website and to add interactive functionality, and to even build apps that further promote your efforts. SEO. Of course, understanding and being able to execute an SEO campaign is another extremely beneficial skill that will help your content get seen by more people. Don't just learn the basics, master this subject, and you'll be unstoppable.